Hello, welcome to a video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create your own Lego sets. And before I do that, make sure you like and subscribe because it makes me feel good in places I cannot mention on YouTube. Anyway, so this is the software that you'll want to use. You'll go on to Chrome and you search in Bricklink Studio, as you can see right there. And then you press one of these links, it will take you to this page. And you press download today. I've already downloaded it because I'm a loser, so that's fine. Anyway, so now you've got your thing downloaded, you are able to open this up. So as you can see, this is my airport thing that I've been doing. This is just one of the models that I've done, for the thing. I've got all of them all on one page, but I'm not showing you so that you come back to my video and then, look at my cool airport things that I make. So obviously, you probably want to know, how do I use this piece of shit that you're showing me right now? So I'll create a new file, right? And obviously, it's pretty easy to learn. You just bring a brick on, you build what you want. So if I wanted to build, I don't know, a massive brick dick, then I can build a small brick dick. Obviously, you can make different things in this thing, so you can make cars and stuff. You go and know some of your brick names or whatever that are named by bricklink. So I don't know, if you wanted to search up like, I don't know, car, you can't just find a car. You're going to have to find, or whatever this is, I don't know what that is. But obviously, wheel arch or something. You search up wheel arch in the search bar, doesn't come up because they all have their own weird names. So to find wheel arches, for example, you could use this section here. I don't know if you can see that very clearly, so I'll bring it up for you now. So you'll see here, you will find vehicle land, and then you'll see all the different parts you get. You've got your steering wheel, you can get your wheels, you can get your other shit that you want. It takes a while to load. My laptop is having a schizophrenic attack right now, just by loading up all this stuff, and the other stuff that I have loaded up. So anyway, obviously it's going to be quite difficult to find the things you want. I haven't found wheel arches because, Lego likes to make it, well, this software likes to make it a pain in the ass. But Lego doesn't actually own this thing, I don't think, but apparently they own Bricklink, and Bricklink probably owns this because it links to my Bricklink. So yeah, that's just how it is. I'm guessing they indirectly own it somewhere. So oh yeah, in the search bar you can adjust for what you search for. That's probably why I didn't find the wheel arches before in vehicle. Because now if we go to now vehicle land, they all have the weird little car bits, like your standard car frames and car models. So yeah, that sure is cool. So obviously, you're gonna have to go and make something. So you get what you want. You drag your wheel arch on. Some things on here don't actually show on certain websites, which I'll show you how to actually order and make your things in a second. I just need to make something stupid to help, help with that. So yeah, we got our wheel thing, wheel arch thing, whatever it is, and now we're going to go and move on to the making process. So the making progress is that you press this shopping cart. You should have already signed into Bricklink Studio, if not, or your Bricklink thing. So obviously, you got your Bricklink. It's owned by Bricklink. You need to sign Bricklink on there, create an account, do whatever. And so obviously you want to save this file that you've got here. So obviously, you're going to save as just whatever. Save it as, I don't know, 5Gs or something. And then you browse for the file, and then obviously you'll find it. So obviously have a look at my files, enjoy. But all we're going to do is go look for that thing, which I do not know where it's gone. Obviously I don't know where it is. Somewhere around here. Yeah, ignore this part. There we are. There it is. We got our open file. GGGG was accepted. Proceed to verify items. So then you'll have your list of items and stuff that you got here. So you got your brick, you got your wheel arch or mudguard, whatever you want to call it. And then you can either buy them through Bricklink, or you can just copy and paste these numbers using Control C into the Lego things. So go and pick a brick, which is in the shop, and you'll find it in the bricks and pieces department. Pick a brick. I'm already on it, so I'm not going to click it. So, you search up your number. Sometimes the numbers won't work. You just have to try your best. And then certain things won't actually come up on the Bricklink website or on the Lego website. They're on the Bricklink website because Lego likes to discontinue things. Obviously, if you get them from Lego, you're going to get them all brand new. Otherwise, if you just get them from Bricklink, which you can do from here, you can just search for your shit that you just got your things. So you can search for the stuff. I don't know. I don't reuse this one though because I don't really trust the shops on here. That's just me though. You could do whatever. You could want whatever. You do whatever you want. So yeah, that is how you make your own Lego sets. That's how I've been doing this the entire time for my airport thing. So yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like I said before. Make sure you comment as well, otherwise I'll probably wet myself. And make sure you also like the video because I'll probably scream and cry if I don't get a like, because that makes me very depressed. Okay, thank you for watching, and you're welcome for this tip, and this is how I make my Lego airport things.